Oh my gosh, 10 bags of items, shoes, stuff, gone in my van, ready to donate. This is exciting.
I'm backing down. That's what I like about you. So
Hey everyone, going to be tackling a lot today. I am so excited that we are getting rid of tons of things today. Decluttering, organizing, surface cleaning, all that jazz, and it's gonna be awesome. My focus for today is one targeted focus, and that is my bathroom closet. It is needing some help, and that's my main focus for today. Have bins, it motivates you. So go buy some bins, some totes, some Tupperwares for your space, and have them all ready to go. And you're gonna look at them every single day until you get this project done. And then you're gonna say, okay, I'm gonna tackle it. So get your bins, that will get you started. And then I want you to take everything out of the cabinets or the shelves, and then wipe down the shelves, and then put everything in like items into your bins, and then put them where you want. So, and discard old medicines and everything like that that you don't need, and really just go through everything and say, do I like you? Are you helping me in my life? Are we even getting along? Yes. So discard what you are not wanting in your house anymore. And it makes it easy when it's expired, but there are things that you're like, I don't know what to do with. That means it's a no, because you have not used it in like a year, and you can get rid of it. It's a almost finished, and I just need to label them, and everything will be awesome and perfect how I want it.
when you're down and you stare out your window, hoping that you'll come up with some words to say. That's not okay. You feel like you're fed up with heartbreak, and you know that you can't take another day. Well, that's not okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. We can never go back this road. We can never go back that way. I see you standing in the corner like it's okay. Don't you know that you move with your body? Don't you know that you move with your body? We can never go back this road. We can never go back that way. I see you standing in the corner.
You know how you've been just wanting to get out your plaques that have been in a box for a long time, or you haven't quite set up in your mind how you want to display them? Like I ran a full marathon, and I have a plaque for that, and I have a little saying and a medal to show. And my husband has his graduation stuff and his mission stuff, and things that he likes, and so I wanted to display it somehow, and so we got this shelf, and then we got these cubbies to display it on, and it's worked perfectly. I absolutely love it, and yeah, it's working really well for us. You don't need to put out everything, just put out your favorites.
The dance goes on. and I move with my body, move with my body. All night long, we got it going, and the dance goes on. We got it going, and I am here, and I move with my body, move with my body. We can never go back this road, we can never go back that way. I see you standing in the corner like it's okay. Don't you know that you move with your body? Don't you know that you move with your body? We wanna go on our own, we wanna go night and day. I see you standing in the corner like it's okay. Don't you know that you move with your body? Don't you know that you move with your body? With your body. With your body.
I don't know about you, but I love a good candle to scent up my kitchen and throughout my house. It just gives a calming, warm, comforty feeling. Okay, I have a genius method for beds. So what you want to do is just make the bed completely. Then you just put the blankets on the bed and have the pillows where you want them. my girls love blankets, and so that's what they really sleep with, is the blankets. And so it just makes sense to not undo the bed every single night and have them crawl in and then make the bed in the morning, where it just makes the process all that much harder. So what I do is just fold the blankets in the afternoon and they are all set for the evening. And just clean your bed sheets and your comforter as much as it needs. So it just makes the process a lot easier, and just use your blankets more. Super simple, easy peasy, lemon squeezy. Cleaned out my cupboards in my bathroom, which I wasn't expecting to do today, but a lot of my nieces would enjoy all the hair things that I will give them, and it just minimized a lot of stuff in headbands and hair accessories, and basically, yeah, my drawers are almost empty and it's lovely. Gives you peace of mind. More stuff that I'm donating. I don't need these boots. I have 2 other pair of boots that I hardly wear. And here's some, a nice mirror and some hairsprays and dry shampoos and all these new headbands. And skirts and things and hats and some suits and things that I just don't use. Hey guys, there you have it. We have a full day of cleaning, organizing, decluttering, and I am pooped. So I'm glad that I got to share this with you and that you got some motivation hopefully out of it. If you liked it, subscribe, and I would love to chat with you on the comments section. And if you have any other ideas on minimalizing, on decluttering, on organization, hey, feel free to comment. All positive vibes here. Also, that's my mindset, is minimizing, and I have loved just having the space in my closet, and I'm trying to do that for my kids too. And I'm sure they get overwhelmed with all the clothes that they have to choose, and if they only had like 10 items hanging up in their closet, they would probably have an easier time of choosing what they want to wear and really enjoy that piece of clothing. And you can do that with the same with shoes, jewelry, clothing, accessories, anything that you have. You can minimize. You don't need duplicates. You don't need 20 pairs of shoes and to be happy. We as a society think we have to be happy with things, and all you need is your necessities and what your favorites are, and you don't need a lot of them. So 20 pairs of shoes, you only need basically 4 pair of boots, sandals, church shoes, and work shoes, and exercise shoes, maybe 5. That's okay. If that's your group, go for it. I think I have 7, and because I do love variety, and there's some that I will not get rid of yet, and I can't let go yet. So you have to be kind of ready to let things go, but I think over time, as you are decluttering and minimizing, that it becomes a little bit easier, and you're like, I really just don't need this stuff. And I hope to catch you on my next video. Take care.